Hello guys, welcome back to my Python YouTube channel. This is Astro, and in this Python tutorial we will be learning about how to plot and animate a scatter or line plot using simple codes. So for that we define some libraries, NumPy for array and matplotlib for plotting. So import matplotlib dot pyplot as PLT. Now you need to define say two empty array x and y. Now you need to fill this array with some numbers. So you can say that for I in range of 200 or maybe say 1000. So I is from 1000, and then you append x dot append, you append say I, so x is your all I, and your y becomes say you want to append all I. So basically this is your linear graph. Now what you do, you type plt dot scatter and plot this graph xy and give some interval plt dot pause, give 0.01 second, and then you show it plt dot show. You can also give some limit to this plot, so for that you just type plt dot x limits and give say 0 to 1000, and same plt dot y limits x limit, and again 0 to 1000. Now plot this plot, see what is happening. Okay, so you can see that here you have a plot and it is updating at every data points. So this is your one of your limited plot. This basically tells us that your plot is updating at every data points because x and y are updating from I. So better just you make it you just make it 100 and here 100 for a quick look, and this will go like that. So it is like much more fascinating. You can see it is animating on its own and updating the plot. You can also give some other function if you want. So I'll just put plot, or maybe I'll just put here np dot sin x, and let's check it. Okay, you can see that your plot is updating with sin x. So you need to improve the amplitude. So what to do? To just multiply here by say 50 and then check it. See, your plot is updating. And you can do one more thing. You can just simply change scatter to plot. See, this is plotting here. Okay, so I hope you got idea about how to plot your animated plot in Python using Matplotlib and NumPy simply. So this way you can do. Maybe you can give some line width root, line width equal to say 10. Okay, see, this your plot is updating. So I hope you got idea about how to plot animated plot in Python. So if you got the idea, then please subscribe my channel, and to learn more updates about my Python plots and codes use. Thank you.